Memories. So I just had that realization. I think it's because Father Al just pretends, like, tries to brute forces through sickness. Thinks that if he's not thinking about it, like, he won't get sick if he just doesn't pay attention to it. I don't know. I'm just unlucky. Anyways, what was the question? Oh, I answered the question. Thank you, Iris, for your question. Thank you. Okay. I hope that didn't upset too many people. Okay. That didn't make anyone cry. Next question. Oh dear, I have quite a few here. I'm getting new ways to clear my throat. Within Holo-en... Oh wait, let me read this properly. I'm so sorry. Within Holo-en, who do you think you could win in an arm wrestling contest against? I'm sorry. Who do you think sent that question? I'm sorry. Oh, how did you guess? Liz asked this question.